How to solve the Telegram problem this channel can't be displayed. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to solve the Telegram problem this channel can't be displayed. To solve this problem, first of all, open up the Telegram account on the web browser. Once you get into your account, click on Menu from the top left corner. It will show you the settings menu of your Telegram account. So, simply click on the settings option from here. After that, scroll down in settings and look for privacy and security. Once you find it, click to go into it. Now, from privacy and security, you will find the display filtering option. To solve the problem of the channel can't be displayed, all you need to do is tick the checkbox for displaying filtering. And then, get back on the home page of your account. Refresh the page and now look for the channel you want to be displayed. Also, check out our video on how to fix sensitive content on Telegram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.